Hi everyone, so in this video I'm gonna walk you through how to create a global social media content strategy in 2024. So before we get into this global content strategy, I want to let you know that this really needs team effort because it needs not only trending research but also creating the content pillar effectively by tracking all of your data. So you have your target audience persona data and then your success record. It cannot be done by one person, to be honest. It should be team effort, because if you are aiming to be global brand, you are targeting worldwide in English. So you have to know what the general term of the trending specifically through YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and then see how you can actually utilize the strategies into your content at the same time. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about the key tools that you can actually learn more about the trending itself, and then how to define the right reference that you can utilize for your content, and our brief process for both clients and our business, okay? By the way, if you came to this place for the first time, I'm Hyein. I run a global marketing agency from South Korea. We specialize in social media and Facebook ads by supporting those Korean market, Japanese market, and broad English speaking market. Okay, let's get started. So number one, key tool. Have you heard of this vidIQ or vidIQ? This is a really good tool that you can actually check out the video views and then the ratio between subscribers and video views. You can actually install the Google Chrome vidIQ plugin so that you can actually see this kind of like look. So once you write down the keyword here, you can not only check out the overall score for this type of keyword here, and then the competition here, volume here, and then you can also check out the top channels and then other related keyword. And also you can check out views per hour and then how outperformed this video is, okay? So what I look for is about this red sticker. So once you see this one, this is really outperforming in this topic itself. As you can see here, 200k subscribers, and then this person got 125k views, which is good, really good. This is also good, like almost 50%, right? And also this is like, and then there is a like millions view, but this person only have almost 150k subscribers. That means we can piggyback on this thumbnail and also this title itself and also this tag. But this is really a little bit old content because it's 3 years ago. So I would go for somewhere between this thumbnail or this thumbnail and title and text at the same time. And then number two, TikTok search engine and creator tool. So obviously when you search term into TikTok search engine, you can actually see related popular keywords like this. And also once you click on the search button, you can see top content here. And also there is others searched for at the same time. And once you type TikTok trend in the Google search engine, there is a TikTok trend hub that you can actually refer to. And also some of the social media scheduler app like Later or even other platforms, they also post some really trending one this week or last week so that you can actually follow those insights as well. You can browse the trending itself by country here, and then you can see all of the content, and then you can also check out the hashtag songs, creators, and even more. What I love about this feature is that, so basically you can see the graph like chart here with hashtags once again, and also the popular song here. When you go through the later blog post, you can actually see the insight per month so that you can understand what's going on TikTok trending itself. For Instagram inspiration, Reels feed, this is also important. Just go through Reels, the feed, and then just see the top rising icon just next to the song that's trending audio. And then once you click on trending audio, you can actually see some of the reference that you can refer to. Also, once you go to professional dashboard, something like this. Once you go to professional dashboard, there is an inspiration that you can check out. Inspiration here. And then number 2, tips for social media content. So for YouTube videos, as I mentioned before, the ratio between the video views and the number of subscribers is really important. So we usually go for some video that has really high views, but the person has really small subscribers. That means we can actually get to the level easily if we use those targeting strategies and then tags and SEO titles at the same time. And then for those short form videos, we usually go for a video with at least 100 likes, and then it should be created recently or even just within 1 year, so that we can make sure that this is working currently, okay? And at the same time, the account that has really small followers, and if they have a video with really high views, also that's something that we can go for. And also, once again, trending audio, trending memes, remix features, and then stitch on TikTok application. Utilizing those features as much as you can is really important for your growth. And then I actually wanted to walk you through what our brief process for both clients and our business look like. So number 1, we thoroughly do trending research. But before we do that, we have to figure out the target audience persona first. We usually analyze that one really even weeks or months to understand the target audience persona really thoroughly. And then also we create content pillar, and then finally we research the trend so that we can incorporate the content pillar and then trending at the same time into our content strategy. Except for those previous steps, number 1, trending research by utilizing SEO terms, audios, and those inspirations tools, as I mentioned before, the TikTok, YouTube, Google, or SEO tools. You can utilize the ideas there. And then number 2, come up with a content idea by using our content pillars strategy. Usually I came up with 7 or even 12 content pillars for specific niche, so that we can make our audience feeling entertaining, or also at the same time feeling educated, and then getting more valuable content for them. And then number 3, create the script and film the video. This is about coaching business, or if they want to showcase their face into their content, or this can be for my business at the same time, or create the draft reels based on the inspiration with those trending strategies, if it's just without face or something like that. And then number 4, video editing and adding subtitles, or sometimes translation too, and especially putting more effort first 1 to 3 seconds to capture the audience, because if we cannot capture the attention within 1 second or 3 seconds, people will likely not to watch your content itself. So this is really important. So you need to incorporate copywriting skills and also video visualizing skills at the same time. And number 5, creating engaging captions and optimized hashtags. So video good and then hooks good, and then without proper engaging captions, people will likely just not engaging with your content itself. So that's why you need to actually add CTA, call to action strategy, and also the having more reach. You need to thoroughly optimize your hashtags. Sometimes people say hashtags are dead, but it's not right. It's good for optimization, and still you can search for those hashtags in search engine. I mean, in Instagram or even TikTok. So yeah, why not? And there will be first confirmation and then second confirmation to audit the content itself. And then there will be curation, scheduling, and publishing, and then monitoring and analyzing later. Okay, so I hope it was helpful for you. If you don't know how to come up with how to strategize your content strategy or content pillars, just feel free to comment below in the comment section. Just let me know. I can maybe film about how to make your content pillars for your business. Okay, bye for now.